Hey everybody, what's up? Out here at the uncle's junkyard, and I'm getting the tires off the Chevrolet here because today's its final day being here before it's hauled off and crushed. So I begged and pleaded for the tires here, so I've got it jacked up on top of a flywheel because the ground is so soft and that flywheel may break, but I got my 12-ton jack there, and so I've already loosened the lug nuts there, 1 1/4. I got my big ass breaker bar here, and I've already, while it was on the ground, I already broke the nuts loose, and now all I got to do is put them on there and undo them. So put it on there and it comes right on. So this is, I want to do a video showing people how to take spoke wheels off. So you just jack it up, and there's the now on the front wheels, because they don't truly clamp like they don't wedge in there like the rear ones do. The front wheel clamps come off pretty easy. So I left the lug nut on there just enough to get it off so it wouldn't shoot off if it did. But yeah. So here's that one. Now here's this one. Well, get it off. Get on there. Alright, there's that one. Break that one loose. Crap. I actually don't really need it, I don't think. Yeah, see, because I just broke them enough to get them loose. Make sure clamp is off. See, the front ones kind of fall right off. Don't have to really worry about them, but so yeah, they just kind of pop off. Okay. Oh God, I'm already tired. Air tools will be really nice. Take that one off. See, there's the front clamp. It's kind of like a wedge type thing. That's what the front clamp looks like. Alright. Get the rest of these off. Pull them off. And the wheels off. Alright. Kind of drop them all down. And now I should be able to kick it and the bottom pop off. So, yep. They pop right off. And, gotta lift it up a little bit. Forgot about that. So, it's kind of caught in there. So we'll take the jack and kind of, crap. It's hard to do it with one hand. Kind of pull it off and get it off. Come on now. Crap. Get my part. This is so fun. Alright, put this up here. You can tell that I'm no pro at this. There. Whew. Got it. So, That's the front one. And here is the brake drum, which is called a tire. So roll. Spins okay. It's okay. So there you go. 1 down, 5 to go. So here's your video. Thanks for watching.